Hello everyone, this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable Hey Siri or set it up on iPhone. The first thing you do is scroll down all the way down to Siri and search. Once you find it, tap on Siri and search. Tap on listen for Hey Siri, the first option here. Now once you tap on it, if you've not set it up, it's not to show you to set up Hey Siri. So you can press on continue to set it up. If you have, simply go back, then press side button for Siri. Now if it's turned off like this, turn it on. If it's turned on, if you've set up Siri, it should not pop up. Then don't forget to tap on allow Siri when locked. Now these three lights up must be on. Listen for Hey Siri, press side button for Siri, and allow Siri when locked. What this means is that when you say Hey Siri, it will respond. And also when you press the side button, you can access Siri. Also when your phone is locked, you can see allow Siri to be accessed. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to set up or enable Hey Siri on iPhone. Thanks for watching.